Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: dog, school, toy, love. Verb. A verb is a word that shows action or a state of being. Examples: run, jump, sing, is, are. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun, giving more information about it. Examples: happy, big, red, fluffy. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, or to what extent. Examples: quickly, loudly, here, very. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Examples: in, on, under, between, behind. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, because. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express strong emotion or surprise. Examples: wow, yay, oh no.